The business has been running for about approximately 15 years. It was a sole trader, one man. What we decided was approximately 2 years ago that because of the workload that we'd like to expand the business. Eventually I spoke to Newcastle College and we were advised that yes, they did run a course. It was ideal for what we wanted, and the advice I was given was that there were several students that we could look at, and we decided to go and look at this second year student who had already started a course, had some basic background, and we could take on and mould to what we were needing.
Whilst at work I've learnt a lot of skills. I mean, I couldn't even wire a plug when I first started. Done that no bother, just quickly learnt that. Doing continuity tests with electrical meter and learning how to fix basic parts of the machine and getting into more depth and learning how to fix more things, and it's great. It's the best way to learn on the job, is doing it hands-on, without a doubt.
We've worked with the college to see these are the type of jobs that he'll be going to, monitored, and he'll have a supervisor there at all time. And we've already spoken to the college, and he has a mentor that comes out and meets with us and makes sure Ryan's happy with the work that he's doing and make sure we're happy with the programme.
The skills I learn in college are mainly just the theory side, and I learn a lot of it. So basically I learn what I can do in real life here, but if anybody wanted to explain what I was doing, I learned that from college. To be honest with you, we interviewed, I think it was 8 young men at the time, and all of the students were very, very high quality students.
Being an apprentice myself many years ago, I think it's very important that we plan for the growth of this company, and apprentices is one of the key things. It's to pass, all the senior staff here will be enabled to pass on all the skills and product knowledge they have to younger members of the staff for the future. We'd heard that Newcastle College has had an excellent link with employers in the North East and could be flexible in their apprenticeship programme towards the needs of certain businesses.
I was at university for 2 years doing estate management. I did enjoy it for the time that I was there, but I just thought to myself that it wasn't for me. I'm more of a hands-on person. I like getting involved. Obviously, by doing an apprenticeship, I would be gaining the qualification, making money, and obviously be working. And I would definitely advise anyone and everybody to go to do an apprenticeship.
The process of finding an apprentice was quite simple. We contacted Newcastle College. They sent 1 or 2 senior staff out to interview us, have a look at the facility and what our product range was, and then they went back and selected from their list of candidates some appropriate personnel who we then interviewed and liaised with to find the suitable candidate. We would use the apprentice programme again. Certainly 2012 is going to be a great start for the 2 apprentices we've got on site here, and it's a good growth for the future.
We definitely found a very successful student, and she lives local, which is what I wanted, someone who lived in the North Tyneside area. And because we're a small company, it needed someone who was going to be well-rounded in customer service, telephone, and work with the admin, but also have an ambition.
The reason the Aloe Vera Centre appealed to us was because it was customer facing as well as the back office side of things. Because I wanted to develop obviously the admin, but I liked the idea of obviously greeting customers when they came in.
Because there's so much individuality going on in the shop that I think it's better to train them to the way we like things done here.
The trainer comes in and asks that I've seen her a few times now. She just came out, she rings me and sends work over, but it's a lot I learn whilst I'm working. And eventually I do want to be working some more towards the sales and marketing side of things. When Kimberly talks about the marketing and what we can do for Christmas or what we're going to do for Valentine's Day, things like that. And for me, obviously I know that there's a lot of people that does just want a specific job role and that's it. But I like this job because it's varied, you're doing different things every day.
We had a role vacant within our finance department, and what happened was we discussed what kind of level we wanted. We wanted somebody to come in pretty much from the grassroots level to learn about the company and to actually grow within the department. So we thought going down the apprenticeship route would be a good idea, getting somebody, you know, on the first rung of the ladder.
The apprenticeship was described with links to accounts, so I could do a professional accountancy qualification afterwards, which is the AAT, and then I could do the professional one on top of it too, so I could be fully qualified, and I think that's just really what I've always wanted to do, so it's the best option for me. I've never really been a fan of university. I didn't want to go, and I just thought it'd be easier to get a job with the experience on top of it, and you learn and earn at the same time, which it's quite independent really, and I quite enjoyed that. And I'll be doing it at the same time for the qualification wise, so it was just the best choice for me really.